Okay, defense number 2 to a Florida domestic violence charge is some variant of, well, it didn't happen. One variant could be, it didn't happen that way, therefore the witness is not credible. Or it could be, it didn't happen at all. Or it could be, parts of it happened, but other parts of it didn't. Now let's go back to our definitions. A lesser included offense of felony domestic violence by strangulation is misdemeanor domestic violence. Now it's still serious, still can involve jail time. It's a highly emotionally charged, politically charged area of Florida criminal law, but it's not nearly as serious as felony domestic violence. So one variant of it didn't happen could be there was an intentional touching, it was harmful or offensive, but the element regarding strangulation was not present. And this would also apply to, say, an aggravated battery variant. Instead of a felony aggravated battery with great bodily harm, you could have instead the intentional touching that's harmful or offensive, but not the injury that's alleged. So that's one variant. Another variant of it didn't happen would be there was touching, but it was not intentional. It was an accident. Or it could be there was consent. Or it could, and by the way, if it's consent, consent as a defense, you'll have a real problem with that with an aggravated battery charge and with other types of defenses as well. So that's a key distinction. So it didn't happen can have many different variants, and this part is really key. Don't try to handle this by yourself. If you needed eye surgery, are you going to be sticking a pocket knife in your eye? Of course not. I mean, just hearing that, you're probably thinking, oh, that's terrible. Of course it's terrible. You should see what I see when I go to court and people handle cases on their own. They sometimes go out the back door with courthouse surprise. So if you or someone you love is accused of a domestic violence charge, assault, battery, felony domestic violence by strangulation, whatever, give me a call, Stephen G. Cobb, 850-651-6565.